Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to do something slightly different. I've not done anything to this level before, but what we're going to do, we're actually going to wrap the Audi's roof. What colour? I'm sure you can work it out, it's pretty obvious, but first things first, I've got to talk the wife into helping. Yes, I know, you're probably going to get me on the comments saying that we need to have more than 2 people. I have 2 people, we're going to make it work. You're also probably going to tell me we need to do this inside. Not an option, but I have an absolutely beautiful day here in England, so let's get cracking. Let's get the roof on this thing washed, so therefore we can get this wrapped. Stay tuned. So you're probably wondering why I'm not watching the whole thing. Mainly, this car's not going to move in a while. It hasn't moved in a couple of months now. Don't actually think the battery's still alive. So I'm only doing the top because we're only focusing on the roof right now. So I've cleaned most of the dirt off, got to dry it off, and we'll go from there. Now, I'm going to try and do both the roof and the spoiler. I'm expecting the spoiler to go a little bit iffy because there's a lot of angles and things. So you'll know if I manage it. Have a look at the title down below. If it says part 1, didn't go well. You'll know before me. Back to it. Now, super important, guys. We get rid of all of the water left on the top of the roof, otherwise it's not going to go well when we put the vinyl on. Wish me luck. Okay, so you can see it's nice and clean. So the bit we've got to contend with now is, as you can see, there is only this line here that we need to wrap to. So obviously this is a water drainage groove, so we need to wrap to that. Now, if I take you over to my BMW, with this car, I can just take these roof bars off, go underneath that, and there's only a little bit where the spoiler is. Obviously, not going to be a problem. We don't have that option with the Audi. So what we're going to do, we're going to get some knifeless tape, and I'm going to get the lovely Lucy to help me out in a second, and we're going to put it along this line on both sides of the car, so we've got a nice sharp line after we've all finished. Let's do that bit. Okay, as you can see, guys, we've got the knifeless tape down. We got it as straight as we could, but it's a very small gap, and I've never done this before, so hopefully it looks as good as I think it's going to. Alright, next step, get the vinyl out. Okay guys, so what we're going to do, we have to put the vinyl on. Now, with all the research I've done, I found the best idea is you need to, what they call laying glass. So basically you're going to get as many crinkles and wrinkles and whatever you want to call them out before you even touch the squeegee. Luckily with this one, where the drainage grooves are, the actual car is slightly higher, so we do have something to play with. But I'm going to grab loose, we're going to put it on, we're going to stretch it out as much as we can. Then we'll go and get the heat gun out, we'll start doing it, we'll start laying it, and it look cool. Enjoy the time lapse. Creaky though. So that was a fail. I think that what the problem was I don't know if it was the wrong kind of vinyl, but every single video you've ever watched where people are wrapping cars, they put it on, they take it off, they put it back on, they take it off, they put it back on. One more for look, they take it off, they put it back on. This one, as you see in the video, the second it touched the panel, that was it. It was on, and it took every ounce of my strength to take off. So I'm asking for your guys' help. If any of you guys are car wrapping professionals, or you know people, comment down below or hit me up on an email. My email's in the description. So let me know what I did wrong, how I can be better next time. But unfortunately, that's it for this video because I'm stumped. So help me out, guys. Comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Please give me a like. And we'll see you on the next one. We are out. Green lights, caught stepping at the high life. Wishing you could be